Good evening and welcome. Today I want to share with you the book by Norman Vincent Peale called The Power of Positive Thinking. This book encourages people, this is a self-help book that encourages people to live a much happier life and a much positive life in order to succeed. There's three major points to this book. One of them is believing in yourself. The other is how to create your own happiness. And the third one is how to tackle problems in your life, personal problems in your life. And so let's begin with the first part about believing in yourself. When they say believe in yourself, they suggest think of yourself in a brighter light. Think of yourself in a positive light. You have to picture yourself as a positive person. Otherwise, you will not be a positive person. Therefore, that positive person has to have a positive voice. And that voice has to affirm themselves, saying, I can do this. I can tackle this, and this is going to be a breeze. As you continue, people are going to have problems and issues through life because that's a common thing. But to tackle an overwhelming situation, you have to pick it apart, make it into smaller problems per se. By achieving this, you'll be able to overcome the whole situation. By overcoming little obstacles, you'll be able to take care of everything. So, if obstacles are too hard for you to handle, you probably should get help. Counselors, a psychologist, an advisor at school, whoever it may be. You need to learn from the point of view that you project to them. Therefore, an advisor might tell you that he sees a particular you than what you think you project. This is called self-knowledge. The more you know, the more you'll understand on how to beat weak points in your life. Always list the good things that you've done. This will help you stay motivated, stay positive, and therefore achieve a much brighter and calm state of mind. As we move on, who creates your happiness? Who decides for it? Do you get to decide if you're happy or unhappy, or do others get to decide? The answer is very easy because you get to decide if you're going to be happy or not. So, how do you decide if you're happy? By staying positive. And so, if you stay positive, you'll create a chain of reactions. So, for example, you'll have an interaction with a person, and you'll probably compliment them or do a nice gesture to them. And that reaction, that positive reaction will pass on from the person to the next person to the next person. And therefore, by promoting positive thinking to those around you. So, to keep this positive thinking in a tough situation, you have to keep a heart free from hate and a calm state of mind. Which leads us to our third topic, which is problem solving. Now, everybody has personal problems in life. Many are different from others. But to tackle these problems, you have to, like I said before, take them apart, resolve them each by each, and do not force yourself to look for a solution there and then. Like I said, you take a step back, you calm down, calm your emotions, possibly even write down possible solutions to overcome the situation. This will help you to achieve a brighter future, a happier future, and therefore you'll believe in yourself a lot more. In conclusion, this book helps you change your life, helps you see a brighter tomorrow, and it helps you also to have happy memories, to feel good about yourself. This book helps you change your lifestyle to promote a good energy within you. If you have a positive thinking, if you stay positive, you'll have good energy mentally and good energy physically. What do I mean by that? Is that if you're in a situation and you're negative all the time, you keep thinking about it, it's not going to happen, then you're automatically tiring yourself out. You're tiring your mind, and your mind translates that to your body, and it tires your body, and therefore you're not going to be able to achieve that situation positively or even in a good way. It might even turn out worse. So this book is worth reading, and it definitely shows, and it has great tips on how to have a much brighter future. Thank you very much.